Ashman Ncube, leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change faction, has filed an urgent High Court application to block Sengezi Tshabangu from asserting control over their party. Ncube challenges a recent court ruling in Tshabangu's favor, arguing it was granted by default due to a technical error. Tshabangu had sought a declaration that CCC officials' term expired on May 27, 2024 and nullified his own expulsion. Ncube claims the court deemed the matter unopposed due to an error, despite a notice of opposition being filed. He attributes the non-compliance to a technical oversight under pressure of multiple court filings. Tshabangu's spokesperson dismissed Ncube's application as baseless, saying it doesn't warrant argument. The dispute highlights ongoing tensions within the CCC faction.